Want to install the YouTube app on your PC? Here's how to do it quickly using Chrome or Edge. First, let's use Google Chrome. Open Chrome on your PC and go to the YouTube website. On the right side of the address bar, you'll see a 3 dots menu. Click on it and in drop-down, select Cast, Save and Share. It will open an option to install YouTube in sidebar. Please click it. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to install the app. Just click Install. In seconds, the YouTube app will open in its own window, and you'll find it in your Start menu for easy access. If you're using Microsoft Edge, open Edge, go to YouTube website, click on the 3-dot menu in the top right corner, choose Apps, and then click Install YouTube. That's it. You can now enjoy the YouTube app experience on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more quick tips.